Today, we're diving into the Azure Kinect DK Developer Kit, a powerful piece of technology that brings a new dimension to your development projects. With a sleek design and robust features, this kit is designed for Windows 10 PCs equipped with a 7th generation Intel Core i3 processor or higher. The sensors packed into this device are impressive. A 1MP time-of-flight depth camera, coupled with a 12MP CMOS sensor rolling shutter RGB camera, captures detailed images and provides depth information for your applications. The inclusion of a 3D digital accelerometer and gyroscope IMU enhances the precision of your spatial tracking, making it a standout in the world of developer kits. But it doesn't stop there. The 7-microphone circular array ensures crystal clear audio input, a crucial element for applications that require voice recognition or spatial audio processing. The USB-C data connector facilitates seamless connectivity, and you have the option to power the device through USB-C or an external PSU. Just note that the USB-C to USB-C cable is not included, so make sure you have one on hand. Sync connectors allow you to synchronize multiple units effortlessly, expanding the possibilities for large-scale projects. The USB 3.0 port and 4GB of RAM further contribute to the kit's overall performance, ensuring a smooth development experience. In conclusion, the Azure Kinect DK Developer Kit is a game-changer for developers looking to integrate advanced sensor capabilities into their projects. Its versatile features, coupled with reliable performance, make it a worthwhile investment for those exploring the world of depth sensing, spatial tracking, and immersive audio applications. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.